Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Store error code 0x87E10BD0 that you're coming across on your Windows 10 computer. So you come across the error that says something happened and your purchase can't be completed. I'll show you guys how to hopefully resolve without too much of a hassle here. First things first, I would personally open up the Windows Store and just make sure that you're signed into your Microsoft account. If you're not signed in, how are you supposed to make a purchase? So just keep that in mind. Another thing you can try here would be to go ahead and open up the Start menu, type in Run, R-U-N. So go ahead and left click on that. In the open field, you want to type in WS Reset. So again, WS Reset, R-E-S-E-T, and then left click on OK. It's going to reset the Windows Store here, so just be patient. It should automatically close out and your Windows Store should open up within a few moments. And once that's done, you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.